Welcome to the Mammee Bay Oceanview 1-bedroom Butler Suites with balcony Tranquility soaking tub. This is the O1B room category at the amazing brand new Sandals Dunn River Resort. And thanks for stopping by this channel today. I'm Addison, founder and CEO of Reliant Destinations and MyCaribbeanLuxury.com. We're so excited to have you join us for this awesome suite tour. If you have any questions about this room, the resort, or anything Sandals and Beaches whatsoever, we would love to hear how we can assist. Whether you're looking for your perfect trip to tropical paradise, make sure to get in touch to hear about our complimentary concierge services and what we can do for you. You can reach out anytime at hello@reliantdestinations.com. Again, that's hello@reliantdestinations.com. You can also have a peek in that description below for some really exciting things that you don't want to miss. But for now, let's jump into this together. Are you ready? Let's go. So there you have it. This is the Mammee Bay Oceanview 1-bedroom Butler Suites with balcony Tranquility soaking tub. You're at the stunning Sandals Dunn River Resort. Again, if we could be of any assistance whatsoever in helping you book that perfect trip to tropical paradise and giving you memories to last a lifetime, you can reach out to myself and my team at hello@reliantdestinations.com. Again, that's hello@reliantdestinations.com. No cost for the service, and we promise to make your trip very special. For now, make sure to like this video and subscribe, and have a look on our channel for lots more Sandals and Beaches content. Hope to see you around sometime, perhaps in resorts. Take care.